This is a high-protein version of the most classic Chinese comfort dishes, tomato and eggs. Start by adding your ground beef to a hot pan and cook until nicely browned. I'm using 90% lean. Once it's cooked, set it aside. No need to wash the pan. We will use a bit of that leftover fat for the eggs. Meanwhile, crack 4 eggs, beat them gently, and scramble them until set, and then set those aside too. Now add your tomatoes, garlic, and a splash of water, and some tomato paste for extra depth. Let everything cook down until the tomatoes are soft and saucy. This is the base of the dish. Seasoned with sugar and soy sauce. You're looking for that perfect balance, savory, slightly sweet, and rich. Next, gently adding your tofu. It soaks up all the flavor and makes the dish extra satisfying without feeling heavy. Add your eggs and beef back in, give everything a gentle mix, and let it come together for another minute. Finish with some green onions on top, and that's it. It's simple, quick, and packed with protein, about 24 grams per serving. Serve it over rice, and you have got a full meal that's still under 500 calories. Enjoy!